My pool tiles started popping, and so I had a pool company come out, and he pulled out a few other tiles, and then he said, you know what, there's some like hairline fractures here. He suggested that your company LRE come out. So when Matt from your company came out, that whole team is on board with just not taking care of like a Band-Aid type of problem, but like really getting to the root. And so when he gave me the estimate, I felt very comfortable with the price. And they make you feel like you can trust them. So it was wonderful. And then once the two gentlemen came out, Carl and Cheyenne, they were like on the phone with me immediately, like we're headed over. They said they were gonna arrive at a certain time, and they did. So throughout the entire process, they just explained and were very personable, and you feel safe with people like that. I would go with them again because of the entire process. And I would say definitely give LRE a call and see for yourself how they manage your issue from A to Z. I loved it, and I have a feeling you'll love it too.